Welcome to the DJI Dock 3 tutorial video. This video will guide you through the following key device maintenance operations: firmware update, one-click diagnosis, quick equipment issue feedback, and how to receive and review analysis notifications. Firmware update. Log in to the DJI Flight Hub 2 cloud platform. Go to Device Management, select the dock, and click Can Update. This will display the new firmware versions and update notes for the dock and the aircraft. Click Update to start the firmware upgrade for both devices simultaneously. To update via DJI Assistant 2, open DJI Assistant 2 Enterprise Series on your computer and connect it to the USB-C port of DJI Dock 3. Click the DJI Dock 3 icon, select the firmware to upgrade, and click Upgrade. Start upgrade. The dock will begin upgrading automatically. During the process, ensure the computer has a stable network connection, the dock remains powered on, and do not disconnect the USB cable. One-click diagnosis. Go to DJI Flight Hub 2. Click Device Management, Dock, Device Maintenance. Then click Damage Assessment and Issue Report to enter the diagnosis page. Click Device Damage Assessment. New. Select a diagnosis type. Click OK. The status column will show the diagnosis progress. When it shows Completed, click the View icon in the Actions column to check the results. If recommended parts are displayed, this indicates a potential hardware fault. Please immediately screenshot this page and send it to an authorized DJI service provider for discussion. The service provider will determine the maintenance plan based on the priority of the recommended parts. Quick equipment issue feedback. There are two ways to use the quick feedback channel. Method 1. In Flight Hub 2, go to Device Management, Dock, Warning Messages, Issue Report. Method 2. In the Task Plan library of a Flight Hub 2 project, click Completed. Issue Report. Fill in your contact phone number, email address, and device logs. Then click Submit. View. The issue has now been submitted. The expected analysis and processing time is 2 working days. In Flight Hub 2, click User Center to add your Mobi number and email address for message subscriptions. Click Subscribe. OK. For device issue feedback submitted through Flight Hub 2, once the analysis is completed, a notification will be sent to the subscribed phone number and email. On the device page, click Damage Assessment and Issue Report. A red indicator of the log feedback interface means the analysis conclusion is unread. Click View. Read the device issue report. It will display the detailed analysis results and handling recommendations. If you have any questions, you can contact DJI support with your log ticket number for assistance.